Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard.
The former long drive champion, UTSA, 2019. You better watch out.
Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys in.
I did do it. Video it. Notebook.
On them with the tits on 10. Batch in the back that's on tap, all ready to go and jump in.
All right, guys, day 2. We were in the South Hall of NPE 2024. Ran into a bunch of old friends, some people I haven't talked to in 10, 15 years, and they're here at the show, and it's like nothing ever changed. So I highly urge you guys to get out there and network. Even if you just go and walk a show, to meet people and hang out with them, go to their networking event, go to their happy hours. That's what it's all about. Making connections, keeping those connections results in business and long-term friendships.